And let's continue. So what I'm going to do is to change this to, remember we also got like ch, ch, right? Ch sounds. I'm going to just get rid of the h here. So previously we were talking about this, like charm, so charm, right? So what I'm going to do is get rid of h, just to lower it a little bit, and there will be like, I'm a dog as well as a cat person, so Kaz, okay? Kaz, read, cats. So it's a TS sound, okay? So TS in cats. Ts, ts, ts. It's like ts. The reads like riz. Okay, this is a little bit nuance here, so you have to be careful. This is like z. This is like ts, ts. So it's like a C sound. Ts. This is like z. Okay, you can sort of this is like electric sound. Z, 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 like electric current sound. This is like zzz, zzz, like a bigger electric sound. But all that is dental stability sounds, those really similar to the hissing of a snake. Okay, so yeah, if you used English word to memorize it, cats, cats. So that's that's the sound.